Welcome back. Hello. Hi. Welcome back. We're looking at example 4 from our notes, lesson 9, variables on both sides. So looking at this thing, my goodness, it's intimidating. I've got parentheses, I've got variables on either side. Easiest thing to do, let's get rid of those parentheses. I'm going to distribute. So I'm going to multiply the 2 to this thing, and then I'm going to multiply the 2 to this. So 2 times 3y is? And 2 times 7 is? 14, and it's a positive. When I do the distribution, I no longer need to write the parentheses. And so this is already looking a little better right now. And now we get a choice. Do we want the variables to end up on the left or on the right? The left. Okay, and the short answer is it doesn't matter. Pick one, and you're right, and you're correct. Okay, you can't be wrong with this choice. She chose on the left, so we're going to go ahead and work it out so the variables end up over here on the left. In order to get the variables on the left, I have to collect them, which means I have to remove the variable from the right-hand side. How do I undo minus 9y? Plus 9y. I heard divide, and I see where you're going with it, because when we've handled these negative 9y's, we're trying to separate the number from the variable. Right now we're trying to move the entire term so that all of those variables end up together on the same side. Okay?
15.
Negative 3.
15 here. Yeah, because we're adding. That's okay, we're adding. Ladies, you need to stay with me, please. Thank you. All right, and now I need to get rid of that 14 term, so I'm going to subtract 14 from both sides. 14 minus 14 is?
0.
And it's okay for you to have a 0 on one side of an equation. In fact, spoiler alert, coming to Algebra 2, you're going to force it to be 0 before you can do anything else to it. All right, now it's time for me to separate the coefficient from the variable, that 15 from the y. How do I do that?
Toss it out. Divide.
Yeah, now I divide because the coefficient, the 15, is multiplying.
0.